Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app videos, and in today's video it's on Snapchat and it's on how you guys can fix your Snapchat birthday year not changing problem. But first let me show you guys how you guys can change your birthday, alright? Because some people they don't know how to do that and they're confused, so let me just clear the confusion out by showing how to do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you can click on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you're on your Snapchat profile, you can click on the setting icon at the top right. Now once you're over here, you can see the birthday icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on the birthday icon, you can see your birthday over here. Now once you see your birthday, what you can do is click on it, and at the bottom you can see this slider option. You can change it from over here. So let me just change it to this over here, random one. I click on continue and I click on OK. Once you do that, it shows my new birthday over here and it shows that it's changed. But let's say in your case it's not working. Then there's two ways. Either you have a slow internet connection, and either you have tried to change your birthday multiple times. So let's say I try to change my birthday around 10 or 20 times in a day. It's going to show this error because Snapchat doesn't allow you to change your birthday too many times, alright? If it is 1 or 2 times, it's okay, but it is more than 10 or more than 5 times, then yeah, it can show you this error. And the other thing, as I said, check your internet, and yeah, also update your Snapchat. Sometimes not updating your Snapchat as well causes this problem, and even after updating your Snapchat it's still not working, then you can report it to Snapchat. What you can do is click on the profile picture, click on the setting icon at the top. Once you click on the setting icon, scroll a bit down and you can see report a problem option over here, or I need help. Click on it. It's going to take you to Snapchat support center. From over here you can contact Snapchat support and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so that's how you guys can do it. So hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.